50-layer lasagna.
So we're gonna make some sauce. We got onions, we got garlic. We've sauteed that down with some extra virgin olive oil. One of our secret tricks is the double concentrated tomato paste.
Double concentrate.
The best, right? So you're gonna add that in there, and you're gonna activate it, which means you're gonna caramelize it. Okay, we're gonna get that going.
You gotta wake it up. It's been in a tube, man. You gotta wake it up.
That's it. We're gonna season, always season along the way. Salt, pepper, a little bit of garlic. I like to throw a little chili flake in there. All that stuff. All goes in there. Okay. And then after that, we add some San Marzano crushed tomatoes.
Yum.
All right. 2 cans. Okay, so now we've got our sauce made. We're gonna start assembling the layers, as we say. Okay, so you're gonna get your favorite casserole pan. What's our favorite one?
Oh, would you be using a Bubble and Brown by Rachael Ray?
See? Give it a little spray, all right? And one of the tricks I like is I like to use fresh pasta. First, we're gonna get a little sauce on the bottom, just so it's
Making
first
fresh
layer.
pasta,
it's the first layer.
Making fresh pasta is pretty easy, guys, but you can also buy it. You'd be surprised how readily available it is. You can buy it online or at Italian markets.
Yeah, so fresh pasta is one of our tricks to give it a nice toothsome bite when you bite it. And we use a 4 cheese, right? So we've got some mozzarella, right? Not mozzarella, mozzarella, some provolone, a little pecorino, and then we like to dollop some ricotta, as we say, ricotta, okay? Now, we're gonna keep going with the layers, a little bit more sauce, and we're going to put another layer of pasta, and we're gonna press a little bit, right? And as we do each layer, we press. This is the trick.
Yep.
The trick is the press, the layers, compression, and then what you're gonna do is after it's all said and done, you're going to, well, actually, we're gonna do this one right here.
Okay.
So the last layer, right, we're gonna put the pasta right over the top, okay? This is important, this is important. A little sauce, we spread it out, okay? Not all the cheese doesn't go on there, only 1 cheese. Just a little sprinkle of the pecorino romano, okay? And then it's gonna go in the oven, right? You're gonna bake it. It's got 2 bakes, right? First bake comes out, and you're gonna press it a little bit overnight. Key trick, right? So put it in your fridge.
Do you use foil when you do that? Do you weight it?
We put foil in it when we bake it, and then we take the foil off, gets a little crispy, then we weight it overnight, and when you pull it out, okay, after it's been pressed, you're gonna put it back in the oven, and that's when we start baking and getting all the crispiness going, right? Oh, we have it over here. We have it over here.
Yeah, he's pre-cut.
So
he's pre-cut.
We've got one ready to go here. Look at this. Look at this. Look at all those layers.
Oh my God.
Look at all those layers. Okay? Okay, got all the layers there. You could put a little bit more sauce on top, okay, if you like. And then what we like to do is shave a whole bunch of cheese on top. Can't go wrong. All right?
You are so adorable.
I try.
All right, you want to share a plate like a sundae? 2 kids eating a sundae together?
That's it. I'm starving. This is great.
Breakfast of champions.